Let us do this question. In this, he says, a man has constructed a toy which is made up of a cone. There is a cone like this. It's made up of a cone. And there is a sphere that is present on this cone. Okay. So it is a composite mass system that he has created, composite mass system. The center of mass will be lying on this line. The center of mass will be lying in y-axis on this line. And the center of mass will be lying on this line. Okay. So he said the radius of this cone is 2r and the diameter of this sphere is 2r. So radius of this sphere is r. And he also has given information that the height of the cone is 4r. So these are the information that he has given. And he has also said density of the cone or density of the sphere is 12 times density of the cone. This is another information that he has given. So let us find out the center of mass, that is y center of mass is equals to m1 y1 plus m2 y2 divided by m1 plus m. In this carefully, let us find what is m1. M1 is, I'll take it as sphere. So m1 is equals to mass of that sphere is equals to mass by volume is the density. Mass is equals to density into volume. This density, I will be writing it as density of cone into 12. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the mass of the sphere. Mass of the sphere is 12 into rho of cone into 4 by 3 pi r cube. That will be taken as 48 by 3 pi r cube into rho of cone. We got m1. Next, we'll see what is y1. Y1 is, this is the origin. As he has taken, origin is this. Y1 means the center of mass of this sphere from the origin. This distance, how much is that? This is 4r and there is also another r. So y1 is 5r. From the origin, the center of mass of the sphere is at 5r distance. So y1 is 5r. So we got m1, we got y1. Next, we will see m2. M2 is rho of cone into volume of cone. Rho of cone into volume of cone can be written as 1 by 3 pi. The radius of the cone has been given as 2r. So 2r whole square into height of the cone, which is 4r. That would be rho into 1 by 3 pi into 4r square into 4r. That would be 16 by 3 pi r cube into rho of the cone. This is the mass of the cone, 16 by 3 pi r cube into rho of the cone. Then we will find out what is y2 distance. He has given y2 is h by 4. That is distance of center of mass of the cone is at h by 4 distance from the base. So h by 4 means h, we know it is anyhow 4r. So 4r by 4 is r. So y2 is, now we will substitute in our equation. So first one, 48 by 3. So we'll simplify this. This is 16 pi r cube rho into 5r plus m2 can be written as 16 by 3 pi r cube rho into y2 is r divided by 16 pi r cube rho, 16 pi r cube rho plus 16 by 3 pi r cube rho. Okay, then we'll do this. Y center of mass, I can take 16 pi r cube rho and this r also as common. So that would be 16 pi r to the power of 4 rho, 5 plus 1 by 3 will be present inside the, that is common. Next one, in this, I can take 16 pi r cube rho common. So 16 pi r cube rho, if I take it as common, 1 plus 1 by 3 will be left out. So 16 pi, rho, r cube, 1 r will be remaining. So R into 5 plus 1 by 3 is 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16 by 3 divided by 3 ones, 4 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. R into 16 by 4, 4 ones, 4 fours. That is 4R is your answer. So the center of mass of this composite body will be present at 4R distance from this O. From this O, it will be present at 4R distance. That is, this is the point where the center of mass will be present from its base. I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. Thank you.